For number 27, we're going to put these two expressions together by multiplying. Then we're going to rewrite in exponential form. So 2 to the third equals x times x minus 2. So then we're going to say 8 equals x squared minus 2x. Move the 8 to the other side because we have a quadratic. When we solve a quadratic, we can solve by factoring. So it's x minus 4, x plus 2. We have two solutions. X is 4, x is negative 2. We have to check them. If I plug a 4 in here, I get 4, so that's okay. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So 4 works. 4 is one of my solutions. If I plug a negative 2 in here, that's a negative value, so negative 2 does not work. So my only solution for this one is x equals 4. For number 29, I'm going to combine, so I have the natural log of x times x plus 3 is equal to 4. I'm going to say the natural log of x squared plus 3x is equal to 4. And I'm going to rewrite as an exponential problem. There is a base here, so this is going to be e to the 4th equals x squared plus 3x. I can either choose to put this in my calculator like this and find the intersection, or I could put this on the other side and find the zeros on my calculator. Either way, it's going to work. It doesn't matter which way we do it, we're going to get the same answer. So if we do this problem with putting the left side in y1, we're going to have e to the 4th, the right side in y2, we've got x to the 2nd plus 3x. I'm going to have to change my window because if I just did e to the 4th, it's 54. So it's a pretty big number. So when I go to my window, I know that my y values, I'm going to at least try 100 to start. I'm not sure what else I need to change. Okay, I can see there's two intersections, so I'm going to calculate my intersections. I'm going to go closer to this. Oops. I pushed the wrong button. I'm going to calculate my intersections. First curve, second curve, guess. It gives me 6.0397. And then I know this is going to be a negative number. If this is a negative number and I plugged it in here, I'm going to get a negative value. So I'm not even going to waste my time figuring out what that one is. I'm just going to write down the one solution, 6.04. Okay, for the next problem, I'm going to combine these. So I have log base 3 of 9x squared is equal to 2 because I multiplied this times this. I'm going to rewrite in exponential form. So I've got 3 squared is equal to 9x squared. So that is 9 equals 9x squared. So 1 is equal to x squared. So I have plus and minus 1 with the x. I need to check to see if I plug them in, if it works. So if I plug in negative 1 here, I'll get positive 3, so that's okay. And if I plug in positive 1, I also get positive 3, so that's okay. So both of these are a solution. Okay, then the last one, we're going to combine. We have log base 3 of x minus 9 times x minus 3 is equal to 2. If I write this in exponential form, it's 3 squared times all of this. So it's going to be 9 equals, and we're going to have x squared minus 3x minus 9x plus 27. So 0 equals x squared minus 12x plus 18. And then I'd be looking for factors of 18 that add up to negative 12. And I don't have any factors of 18 that add up to negative 12. So if we don't have any factors that add up to that, we're going to have to solve a different way. So we can solve by quadratic formula, or we can use our calculators to solve. Right? Our calculator is going to be the easier way to solve. So I can clear out what I have here. To solve this, I would just type this into my calculator. And remember, solutions, roots, and zeros all mean the same thing. So when I graph this, let's go back to our standard window. When we graph this, we have a parabola. I don't see the whole thing, so I know I'm going to have to change my window to go over a little bit more. I have two solutions. So I'm going to go second, calculate my zeros. If I want to find this one first, left of it would be 0, to the right of it would be 2, and a guess. This is 1.757, so 1.757. And then the next one, second, calculate 0. To the left of this, I don't know, 5. To the right of it, 15. I'm just estimating. And I get 10.243. So I have these two values. I need to see if they work. So if I plugged in 1.757, I'm going to get a negative here. So that one does not work. If I plug in a 10 point something here, it's positive. And if I plug in 10 point something here, it's positive. So this would be my only solution for that one.